The top 7 tools I use on a daily basis for wholesaling real estate success. Guys, what's up? My name is Zach Ginn, and I have done thousands of wholesaling real estate deals. And in my personal opinion, in 2023, this year, when I go and do wholesaling real estate, when my team does wholesaling real estate, virtual, local, in person, whatever it is, there's around 7 tools that we have to use daily for us to have wholesaling real estate success. Some are free, some are paid, but to the most shock of most people, most of these tools just cost no money at all. And the scariest part, and exactly why I'm doing this video, is you're probably not using them, and it could probably double your results in wholesaling when it comes to a lot of things with buyers, organization, follow-ups, and just making more wholesaling real estate deals. So if you're excited for this, if you're excited to get wholesaling real estate success, get your knowledge up and become a successful wholesaler, this is going to be the video for you, so you know exactly the right tools to use. Literally, just like the toolbox, if you are a construction worker, you need your toolbox. This is the toolbox that I use. I am grabbing the toolbox and I'm showing you guys exactly how you can do it. If you need help with these tools, I'm going to help you out. Obviously, if you need help with them, I do have tutorials on how to use all these things at freewholesaling.com. Some tools are essential. They're free, but they take some time to get ready so you can have success in wholesaling. So let's get that unfair competition in your own wholesaling real estate business by learning this, and let's break it all down. So first and foremost, let's go from 7 to 1, from least important to most important. Now, this is top 7. There's like 15, 20 tools I can list off, but we're making it pretty simple here. We're just breaking down my top 7 here. So let's talk about number 7 right here. Number 7, this is just AI. Okay. And this is something, when I did this video last year, this was not even in the realm of it, right? But things have changed, and heck, we don't even know what's going to happen next year in wholesaling. Like, maybe there's a new tool that makes everything crazier, but number 7 here is AI, either using Bard AI or ChatGPT's AI. But really, these two AI software tools have helped me so much, and it doesn't like do everything for me, but it does so much stuff that saves me time. So for example, if I want to use ChatGPT or Bard AI, and I'm doing a creative financing deal, I want to figure out what my payment should be if I know my PITI is this. And let's say I want to make it a 3%, let's do 3.5% interest rate. What would my payment be to make sure it's this much on a balloon? Like, I can do all these crazy math problems where, yes, I can calculate myself, but it's so much simpler to do that, right? If I want to go calculate what the cap rate is, right? So basically, if I'm doing analysis on it, I can do that. Bard AI will tell me where I should drive for dollars. It will tell me where I should not drive for dollars. It will tell me what I should do. Bard AI will literally make you an offer price. That's how. So we did this crazy Bard AI video yesterday, and it's a lot of people are loving it, but it is literally doing all these things for you. It helps you pull comps. It does so much amazing things that Bard AI is here to stay. It's connected to the internet. ChatGPT is going to start being connected to the internet, and it's just an amazing tool for us wholesalers to use. And most wholesalers aren't still using it. It drives me crazy. You can write your SMS scripts. You can write social media. You can do social media deals now with AI, which you can have deals on social media. I see some gurus, selling some courses on social media deals of like, you do this one thing and you can get 5,000 leads. We don't do that, right? And so, yeah, digital bandit signs are a great one too. You can do with AI. We show you how to do it for free at freewholesaling.com. We also have a other version of it in Flipbook Plus. But I'm telling you, AI, it's here to stay. Do not think it's going away. And if you know how to utilize it correctly, you can have an unfair advantage with your competition and just in general. And so if I want to go out here and create a bunch of SMS scripts that get the best deliverability rate, use AI for it. Easy, simple, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? And you can have it analyze properties. You can literally go to Bard AI to like, heck, I can go forever on this, but like, you can literally ask the AI, hey, this property, here's the address. So it will calculate the square footage. It knows the age and everything, and say it needs a new roof, it needs new flooring, and the kitchen's outdated. What's the repair cost? And it'll just spit it out for you. Insane. Nobody else in wholesaling real estate talks about this. I don't know why. It's crazy. And so this is hands down something you guys should be doing. Now let's talk about number 6 here. This is a huge one. Number 6, this is Podio. Guys, I love Podio. This is Podio. Guys, I absolutely love Podio. Guys, Podio is amazing because when you go out here and you can do the CRM, you literally can get your leads into your own wholesaling business. I've said it a million times, guys. If you don't have a CRM, you are probably losing out on wholesaling success. And what I mean by this, I'm telling you right now, if you don't have a list of all of your leads online digitally, if it's on a piece of paper, that piece of paper you could lose. And I think everyone here's lost their keys once or their piece of paper. And it's important for you to follow up with that. It's terrible, right? The reason why I love Podio so much and the reason why Podio works so well and it's such an effective tool in wholesaling real estate is from one simple thing. It will literally tell you, hey, these are all your leads, and this is when you have to follow up with them, and this is the last time you've talked. A lot of people like doing the paper thing or the Google Sheets, and that's fine, but like Podio's free. It literally costs zero money to use Podio. That's the big thing. Podio is an absolutely free service, and Excel's not terrible, but Excel's not going to give me a reminder on my dashboard that I need to follow up with this. Google Excel will not do that. But do you know what will? This is pretty easy, pretty simple. But Podio will actually go out here and follow up with us and tell us, oh, do this, do this, do this. I can put my cash buyers in that database. I can put my notes in for the lead. Absolutely amazing. It's crucial. It's critical for success. And hands down, I think so many wholesalers actually need to be doing it because a lot of wholesalers, just telling you the dang truth, they're not following up their leads good enough. And I'm telling you, it'll screw you up if you don't know how to use Podio the right way. That's why at freewholesaling.com, I have a whole Podio tutorial. I spend an hour to do it. You got to do it. I'm telling you, it costs like an hour of your time to get the Podio set up. It's free, costs no money. Y'all got to be doing it. Number 5 here. This is a very important one, but this is what we call CallRail. Guys, I love CallRail. I've said it a million times. And CallRail is basically a tool where you can buy a bunch of numbers, or record all the numbers, or track the numbers, and you can basically analyze the numbers the best way. It's basically a service where I have 20 numbers, and if I do direct mail, I can put new phone numbers in there. Hands down, amazing. Not a lot of wholesalers know how to do it the right way, but I'm telling you, it's an amazing service to be doing because I can give like 40 or 50 numbers. I can record all of them. And so when I have a call with a seller, and let's say it was a 4-month call, and I'm still following up with them, and I want to know initially the information that we said before, and I didn't have it in the notes, or I got a new acquisitions agent or something, or what was the initial call, literally CallRail will record it for us, and we have all the information. And remember, guys, information is key for wholesaling success. If you have the information, you're going to win the wholesaling game on this. So I'm telling you, CallRail number 4, it's an amazing tool. Number 4 here, this is a big one. This is SMSzac.com. Guys, we do texting every single day. And so the next one here outside of SMSzac.com is going to be what we call the list pulling services, right? These are going to be the services like listrei.com, zacdata.com. These are services I use pretty much on a daily basis to go out here and comp properties as quick as possible. I'll go to do my skip tracing through them. I'll pull my big vacant list, my high equity lists, the very important lists. And the reason why I say listrei.com and zacdata.com, and there's a free service providers out here that give me the vacants for free. I get that all the time. Guys, I've said it before. I'll say it once again. If you cheap out on your data, it's okay to cheap out on certain things. I'll tell you straight up, like, trust me, it's okay to cheap out on certain things. There's no reason out here for anyone to buy a $500,000 car when you can get a regular Honda Accord, right? Some people love it. I get it. But when you're having like a heart surgery, right? Do you want to get the cheapest Romanian doctor from, the mountains and have him do life-saving heart surgery? Or do you want to have like a Harvard surgeon train you? It's probably important. And it's not that dire. It's not life or death, but like when you use a free list pulling service, they cheap out on their data. They get the cheapest data possible, and they get the cheapest skip tracing possible. And their only goal is to get volume. They're not looking to get high quality data. They don't spend money doing it. Getting it at all. And I'm not saying this out of my butt. Like, I've pulled lists from listrei.com, zacdata.com, and other free services, and I compare it. And trust me, if the free service worked, I would be telling you it. I've had no success. I don't know really anyone that has much success with other services. So that's why listrei.com, zacdata.com's proven. And honestly, even it gives me a slight edge performance. It's the best. They got free drawing for dollars apps inside of them. You can't beat it, right? The best skip tracing. And when I'm spending tens of thousands of dollars on direct mail every single month, do you think I'm going to cheap out on my data when it costs so much per lead? No way, Jose. That's why you got to use those services. I love it. There's free trials for them. They're great. Next year's dmzac.com. And it's not what you think, right? Everybody thinks dmzac.com is like this crazy thing that's going to like change your life. The reason why dmzac.com is ranked so highly, it's for one really simple, easy main reason. Because with dmzac.com, I can have a drawing for dollars app. It's amazing on there. But what's most importantly on there is I can get kids in my own local market and just add them on as a driver. And I can have like 5 or 6 kids just actively pulling and drawing for dollars leads inside of dmzac.com for me. They got to find ugly houses. They put in the app and they get paid tens of thousands of dollars. It's like, whoa, that's amazing, right? And so that's the point. dmzac.com, you can literally get kids to drive for dollars for you and have employees and scale it up. And it's a very cheap and efficient way to do it. And so that's why I'm a big fan of dmzac.com, because you can actually go out here and get lists of drawing for dollars leads and reverse drawing for dollars, do all that great stuff straight from just one really easy, simple pretty cheap drying for dollars service. Is the best drying for dollars app on the planet. It's Facebook. Number one, Facebook. Guys, Facebook is where it all goes down. Okay, I've said this in a million times, but it goes down in the DM. Cannot stress this enough. Most of my deals now are JV deals, and JV deals are all done through the DMs pretty much. The connection, the networking, knowing other wholesalers in your own local market. You ain't going to go buy a service and, build something out like that. I mean, Flip Plus, you can do that like really well because you can connect with all the Detroit guys and they'll do deals with you. And in Flip Plus, deals do come to you. Like literally people on sellmypaper.com will submit deals for JV Flip Plus students. But like if you're starting out in this business and you can get connected to good wholesalers in your own local market, Facebook's hands down the best one. Hands down the best introduction. So I use Facebook to do JV deals, network with other wholesalers, build a community with wholesaling houses for real with it. And so other like-minded wholesalers can do deals together. And with Facebook, I can go on everyone's live streams. I can comment. I can say, this guy says I'm doing 10 deals a month. This is what I do. I can literally figure out what he's doing. And he literally says it in a Facebook group. And I can DM the guy and do deals and questions with him. Guys, you could easily, everybody watching this video, if you know what you're doing and you actually know how to go into social media and do it well, Facebook, it's severely underrated in my opinion. I don't think wholesalers actually use it the right way. And unfortunately, if you're not going to do it, you're losing a bunch of money. So that's why at Wholesaling.com, we actually teach you guys how to do it the right way. Actually go out here and do it. So guys, go out here, use Facebook. It is severely underrated for it. And so also on top of Facebook, I can actually get cash buyers. I don't think a lot of people know that. I can actually get cash buyers on Facebook. Crazy to think about, but it's absolutely true. I can legit go out here and find cash buyers on Facebook. I can go out here, I can make posts, have cash buyers go in my DMs. I can actually go out here and I can actually scrape cash buyer data. Like it's all in Wholesaling.com how to do that. It's amazing. Guys, it goes down also on Instagram, right? Like you can go out here and DM people on Instagram and search people up and see what's going on and find title companies and talk to them because Instagram's owned by Facebook. So technically Meta, right? But they're all together. And so if you, I have called them social media deals, but it's amazing. And I'm living proof of it. Heck, I'll even add YouTube on this. If you're watching this on YouTube, see the comment section right here. Let people know who you are. Hey, my name is Zach. I'm in this city. Anyone do deals with me or anyone needs help? Oh, Zach, I'm brand new. I see you've done some deals. Can you help me out get my first couple deals? I help them out and he JVs those first 2 deals with me. You're not a guru by doing that, right? And you kind of teach them a little bit. And guess what happens when you teach them a little bit? They split the deal with you because they need the buyers from you and boom, you made a quick 30K with one person. You have 4 or 5 of them. Guys, you'll be raking in the dough. I'm telling you. Like I had my first 100K week JVing deals a couple of weeks ago. And the honest truth is that would have never been done if people didn't know who I was on Facebook or Instagram. Never, right? The amount of deals I get sent out with Instagram is crazy. And if you can even just do 1% of what I'm doing, that's a lot of money. I think that's almost 6 figures you can do. So it's like, go after it, guys, right? And so Facebook is my number one tool. Hands down, use it. Use it before you lose it too. It's just, it's going to get harder and harder to do social media deals in the future because more people are going to learn how to do it. And before this YouTube channel gets any bigger, before more people start following me, I'm telling you, start doing the stuff right now. It's going to work because in the future, when more people follow me, it's going to be more people doing it, which is going to make it more saturated. So you rather do what I say before more people follow me. And it's amazing. I'm not even started my wholesaling real estate journey, guys. I'm 23. Like I'm just like, if I'm a, let's say I'm a person, right? I'm literally 3 years old right now. I think about that as my wholesaling journey, right? If you think of a person that's 0 to 100 years old, I'm literally like a 3-year-old right now. I have so much more. I haven't started. Okay. It's crazy. And so me just getting so started in this real estate wholesaling industry, whatever happens in this business, AI comes to a thing. There's a new thing. I'm always here to help you out. I'm a legit wholesaler. I'm an active wholesaler and I'm on my journey to be the biggest wholesaler in the whole entire country, me and Rick.